Alright you guys, it's Tiana, so I'm back with another YouTube video. So with this look I used the Morphe 35O palette, 3502 palette, and I took that black shade right there and I put that all over my lid. I packed it onto my lid first, and then you're going to see me put the brown shade and I put that on after, just to blend out that the harsh line from the black. And then I used the Stila eyeshadow glitters, and I put that on my lid just to give like a little shimmer. I didn't like focus it in any like position or anything like that. This look is not trying to be like cute and pretty, so it's just like I just threw it on my lid, and then I took a brush and blended that glitter out. Then I went back into the palette and used the brown shade again, and went from my eyebrow, from my inner part of my nose to above my eyebrow, just to make it more sunken in and hollow. And I went in with a black over top of that, just to give that hollow look. And then after that, I outlined where I was going to put the hollow marks of for my cheeks. I just outlined that area. I came back to that later, but I just outlined that out. And then I went in with a gel pencil and just outline like the where I'm gonna put like the hollow part of the nose. I did a pencil first, just so I can get the outline. I'm looking down because I'm trying to copy like how the girl did it on the picture to make it correct. And then yeah, and then I added eyeliner, like a liquid liner over top of it, just so the lines can be more straight, because you only can be so straight with the pencil. Now I'm gonna go in with that black shade. Like I said, I outlined how I'm gonna make the hollows of my cheeks. So I'm going in with that black shade and just blending that out. Then I put foundation on my lips just to make it more muted. And then I put airspun powder all over my lips just to set that in place. Then I went in with this eyeliner from the Spirit of Halloween that I got, and I just drew it in the corners of my mouth, and then also filled in the corners of my mouth. And then I also used a gel pencil again, just to blend that like liner together, because you can't really blend it well with the gel liner. And then I also, for the teeth, I made like straight lines for the teeth, like not straight down like my lip. I did like top bottom, top bottom. It was a little bit easier for me, that's why. Then I frowned my face up just so I can get into those creases and make it more like a skeleton. So these rhinestones I got from Amazon, and I used my eyelash glue and then placed them on each of the slits of the teeth. So the lashes I use for this look is from K Browser Beauty Bar, in the style Goals. And then I forgot to put that on in the video. And then also I took off my shirt because it was getting hot in here, and it was going on an hour or two me doing this makeup. So yeah. Alright, you guys, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.